Hello, welcome back to No Scrap Diecast. And this week we've got 3 lorries to play with. Ford D series by Corgi Jr. and the Lewis wheels. So let's get on the bench and have a look. Right, as you can see, we've got 3 Ford D series made by Corgi Juniors. The Lewis wheels. That's it on the bottom of them. Don't know because I can't see a thing. Lights reflecting. So this one is pretty much complete. It's not that bad. It's got a few scrapes. Got a complete skip on it with all the little hooks. So just to go trying to see one of these, if you put it in, I think the back one, it just lifts on and off. And if you put it on the other one, like so, it tips it. Basically, that's it. That's your lot. This truck's well played with. You know, it's scraped about. I'm not even sure if the booms are twisted. I haven't really looked at that much. This one, there's another skip where the hook's broke. Don't know if I'm doing anything with that. If not, yeah, look right in the background. This one is still rough, not as rough, but the screen's gone. So the plan is to rebuild this one. I'll explain a bit more in a minute, but I'll build this one, and then make one out of these 2. It's pretty simple enough, isn't it? Yeah, so my wife used to work for a firm called Hales Waste Control, and they were orange lorries, skip lorries and that, and then it went to Biffa. Biffa brought them out. Pretty sure you've all heard of Biffa, but it was Hales and then Biffa. So I'd like to do this one in Hales colours. I won't put stickers or anything like that on it because I just can't get hold of them. But yeah, do that in Hales colours, and then do that in one of these, whatever one we do, in the normal red and white. We have the diggers with and all the rest of it. So that's the plan. As you can see, there's only one post in the middle of them, but they have got a little tongue front and the back. So I suppose you just do that, drill that post, and then I don't know if you shift it about or you just push them bits in. I don't know. We'll have a look. I'm going to drill this post first. Right, I've drilled this one. So I've already done one. I wouldn't drill them. Well, I'm going to drill this one, I should say, because I'll use a little grinder on it. Just it's like 1:15 in the morning. I've got the window open because it's like an oven in here. So and you know how the noise travels between the houses. So yeah, so I've had to drill it. So that comes out. I haven't took this one off. I took that like so I've done that one. I thought I'd show you this one because it's got the boom on it. So that's the base, that's the suspension. I'll keep knocking some rattles. Glass just comes out, so that's that way. That I think just lips, it comes underneath that lip. Glass is out. That's it. 1 D series. Bird D series, I should say. Yeah. I'll say this one ain't too bad. They'll all be the same ones as being in the caustic, but I think I'll try to keep this one separate. Glass, boom, base. Simple as that. I know the lighting's not very good, but I've just masked it up roughly. I've still got to mask it up a little more. to put the black roof on the Hales lorry. Yeah, so I was just feeling masking it up and give it a coat of black and see how much I mess it up. I don't think it's going out, don't think it's going out too bad. I say it's not very good lighting in there at the moment. The only little bit is at the back of the cab. I've spilled my piss on it, but yeah. On the back of the cab, I've tried touching up just on the left hand side, on this side, at the back. I should have left it, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. It's actually come out quite well. Right, I'll put it under some proper lights and have a proper look in a minute. So this is one of the other ones. I've literally just unmasked it. It's got a few little bits around the edge, I'm not too bothered about. The biggest issue is that little bit in the top corner, the left hand corner. And see how that side is red. I can't really see if I can get the camera around, but this side is sort of side is white, and yeah, I don't like it, so I'm going to see if I can just mask it up quickly this time, because it took me about half an hour to mask it up last time, maybe a bit longer, and just see if I can give that better coat of red. Don't know if it's going to work or not. Just give it a go. Right, I'm all ready to put the Hales one back together, the Hales lorry. But I've also done the other two, as you know. One's just spares, but I've managed to paint that. I'm actually really happy with the paint. I'll explain when I get there. So you've got two more to look at after this one. All I've done really is headlights on it. I did the roof, as you know, and I got a really nice coat of orange on it, because it's, like I say, it's in RMC Hale waste colours. And I was really happy with it, and then I realised I hadn't put the black mud guards on, wheel arches. So being clever, I thought I'd have a go at masking them, so I masked them up, but I still hand painted them with a brush. But where I masked it, it went on the doors, and especially this door. And I've got to learn to walk away from things, but I didn't. So I buggered about, and I sort of messed the paint up on the door. Yeah, it's not too bad, but you can still see where the black was. So anyway, I recoated it today, resprayed the bottom half. This roof is still how I done it, but I think this roof now has had 5 or 6 coats of clear coat on it now. I've sprayed it different bits, but the roof is, that's superb, brilliant. Anyway, so it's in proper RMC colours now, not like the Corgi one where they put the yellow, I think the yellow back on it, and it's all orange cab and whatever. This is proper RMC colours now, with the black bumper, black wheel arches. So I'm happy with that. Not so, you can still see where I went over slightly. If you're really close, like you're probably on the camera, you know what I mean. But in 2 foot away from it in the room, and it's perfect, you know. Everything else is just orange like it should be. I know some people would want to paint them black, but they're just sprayed orange originally, and obviously they end up scraped silver because they're just steel. They're not a tyre. They're, you know, the jacks. Boom, orange. That's why they're clamped, but that's outside. The base I've just sprayed orange. I'm not sure how that's going to look when it's on there. And this is the same window coming. This is the one, the lorry what looked the best one out of the lot. What I said, keep everything together. It's the best skip with all the hooks on it. I've done that in Hales colours, orange with yellow ends. Basically, I masked the ends up at the bottom, sprayed the sides. I did do the other skip first, but I've changed the colour of that. You'll see in a minute. So let's put this together. Right, I've made it. Hang on, let me move my seat. let's put it together. I'm trying to think how I did the other one. I don't think it matters which way around that is. Obviously, the small end has to go in the lorry, but I don't think it matters if it's that way or that way. If it does, we'll soon find out, won't we? So what I did the other one is I just put it in there like that, hooked it over like that. So this has just been cleaned and had the pledge treatment. I've left the orange step at the door because you would put black step on these, but the step on these were blocked behind the door, if you know what I mean. It goes that way round. I did have a bit of a job lining the other one up, but I think that's because I made 2 out of 1, and so I'm hoping this one will go back together. Try to do it inside the camera. Pull the middle up. That's it. Pull the middle up. That clips back in there. Oh, that looks better than I thought. Yeah. Axle's twisted somehow. There you go. That's better. Look at that. There you go. And then I'll put the skip on. I haven't showed my missus yet because I did show her when I paused it out though. You think I whinge about when it looks wrong. So the only detail I put on is the headlights. So that's one IMC Hales truck. I don't know if you can hear all the motorbikes and cars and whatever we get rolling up and down here all the time. Right, so the lorry I was going to use for what was going to be the bits left over, I've just stuck together. But Heidi bought me some more paint from the pound shop, so I'll show you. There's a yellow from the pound shop, and there's a green. Where's the green? Where's the green? Okay. Weren't very well organised for this, was I? There's the green. It's from the pound shop. It's colour rip stuff, you know. I quite like it actually. So because I had a spare clean body, I just tried some on the front end, it was green, and some on the back was cream. And I actually think it's only like, and that's all I've done. I must admit, I did give it a quick lacquer, but I mean, it's not got a lot on it. Obviously, that's why the base ain't been done. But I actually think that come out right. Obviously, he's got the hole in the windscreen. It's got the dirtiest wheels. I mean, everything was washed, but you know, like I say, that's just that one. And then the one I'm really, really happy with, more happy than the Hales one, and that's this one. I did manage to spray this side back red. I did mention it earlier that I just literally put a bit of paper, masking tape over the sides and whatever. I'm really happy with this one and the way it's come out. Now I was going to do a white boom on it, do the booms in white, but I'm glad I didn't, because it went until afterwards. I thought about it. I thought that's a Starsky and Hutch. That would look like a Starsky and Hutch lorry, but yeah. So yeah, but I actually really like it. I've done the white bumper, obviously instead of the black. Headlights, same as that one. I've done the headlights on. But yeah, and then I was going to do a red and white skip for it. I'll say this is the broken skip, but it's got just the white skip, because I thought it looked quite cool. And like I say, it's got we won't tip off of there, but I just thought, oh, I'll put the camera down, all right. Shit, when did I do that? I'll have a check and see if I've done that. Quite sure when that camera dropped down there, but anyway, it dropped down, didn't it? So just in case you didn't see them, there they go. There you are. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Like I say, that looks rough with this light on it, but it's not. It's just the way it reflects. The black shines back onto the orange. Same with the bumper. You can see bits of orange. It's just it's reflecting. Yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. This is obviously my favourite, you know, but I can't believe how that turned out. Literally, I went over one end and got the other, just wanted to see what the colours come out like. They're really nice. I don't know what they look like on whatever you're watching, but yeah, they look very good. I think that's the dog wanting to come in. Oh yeah, some other news. I've actually used my first can of clear coat up. First coat of lacquer, I've used it up. And it was on just finishing this little bit off on here. So, you know how many I've done. I'm not so sure without counting. And some are redone. So, that's how long the cans lasted me. So, I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest with you. Yeah, so anyway, I'm happy with that. Hopefully, you'll like it too. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And think about subscribing. It's about time YouTube thought about following. I mean, I've been on YouTube since 2010, 16 years I've been doing YouTube, believe it or not. And it's about time I ordered follow. No point moaning about it because they've had all this time to do it. But anyway, yeah, give us a sub and then yeah, you'll get notifications of when I put my videos up. Anyway, let's get these on the turntable. I still think that's the best one. Even though I keep thinking it's Starsky and Hutch now. Yeah, and the chair squeaking. So right, let's put it on the roundabout. This is what we started off with: 3 Corgi Junior whisk wheels, D series skip lorries. And this is how I looked at the start. I'll look to see what we've done with them. There will only be 2, obviously. Right, so we did end up with 3. As you can see, they're on the move, so I'll try to do this quick before they fall off the roundabout. So the middle one is basically just for parts, but I've decided to spray it because why not? And the orange one I've done in RMC Hales waste control colours with the black roof and the black wheel arches, black bumper. And then the other one I've just done my own colours to match the tractor and junior Corgi tractor I did to dig out the Massey Ferguson. Basically, I'm really pleased with the way that's come out. And these 2 are the first 2 what I've actually done with 2 types of paint, you know. Not a 2-tone as such, but I'm happy with that, well happy with it. So I'm going to stop the going round before they all fall off. Right, thanks for watching and all the rest of it. And remember, it's okay not to be okay. Bye for now.